in January 2022, a lawsuit was resolved between the group Abba and Abba Mania. Abba Mania is a tribute band which advertised itself as a tribute band straight from the West End. And in their website and other materials, they indicated that they were not associated with Abba, and Abba really had never approved or had anything to do with their performance. Abba asked them to change their name from Abba Mania under the theory that there would be confusion, that this was actually a sanctioned performance by Abba. You would ask yourself, why would a band with a collective worth of $1 billion that had members that were all at least 75 years old be concerned about a tribute band? Well, there's a very specific reason that Abba would be concerned about a tribute band. And that's because, notwithstanding that they're 75 years old, they recorded their first new album in 40 years, Voyages, and released it in November of last year, 2021, where it immediately went to #1 on the UK singles charts. Allow me to give a plug to Abba. If you love Abba's music, as I do, it sounds exactly like the Abba songs that you're used to from the time that they were topping the charts and selling 355 million records. The issue then comes up, what is a tribute band? How many original members have to be in the band for it to still be that band? And what's the difference between a band that has a number of members that have changed out and one that hasn't? And in fact, what the plan is in terms of supporting the Voyages album, there's going to be a series of performances at London's Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park beginning in May of 2022. So where do these 75-year-olds get their energy to perform? Well, they've been captured in live action photographs. And so there will be live musicians performing, but Abba will be holograms. And that is the reason, name, image, likeness, that a number of the bands that we've talked about in this series have fought so hard against the tribute band, because at a certain level, Abba is going to become its own tribute band. And as you think about bands like the Beach Boys that sell their rights to various music players, they're faced with the issue when you're pushing 80 years old, what are the Beach Boys going to be? What is Abba going to be? And how will this music continue to be distributed? This live action experience is one answer. Abba versus Abba Mania, continuing saga, rock and the law offices of John Belcher.